Okay. In this video, we'll be talking about how to rotate 270 degrees counterclockwise, also known as 90 clockwise. So once again, we're talking about a rotation. So the first thing we do when we have a graph is we should label our quadrants and put our signs. So quadrant 1 is positive, positive. Quadrant 2 is negative, positive. Quadrant 3 is negative, negative. Quadrant 4 is positive, negative. Okay? And so once again, we're talking about going counterclockwise, which is the opposite direction of a clock, or clockwise, like so. And so if I'm going 270 degrees counterclockwise, if you've watched the other videos, you know that for every quadrant we jump, that's a 90-degree turn. So if I jump into this quadrant, that's 90, then 180, then 270, and notice my signs, positive, negative. Positive, negative. Now, remember, if it's not 180, so if it's not 180, 180-degree turn, then we swap. So if it's not a 180-degree turn, then we swap the coordinates. Okay? So notice I was at 1, 5. I swapped them. I'm at 5, negative 1. And I checked, I went 1, 2, 3 for 270 counterclockwise. What are the signs? Positive, negative. Okay, so for B prime, I swap. So I'm at 1, 4. I'm in quadrant 4, so I should be positive, negative. Positive, negative. Okay, same applies for 90 clockwise. So if I go 90 clockwise and I move 1 quadrant, so 90. Notice the signs are still positive, negative. So C prime. It wasn't 180, so I swap. So 1, 2. And then I need to be positive, negative, because that's the box I landed in, the quadrant I landed in. Okay? So with a 270 counterclockwise or a 90 clockwise, our rule is that we're going to change the sign of the X. Okay? We're going to change that sign of the X and swap. Okay? So, don't forget, for any rotation, if it's not 180, 180-degree turn, then we swap. That is the key thing to remember. And that is how you do a 270-degree counterclockwise or 90-degree clockwise turn or rotation.